In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to like your page in Business Suite. Let's start by opening a browser and going to business.facebook.com. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages your page. When the Business Suite dashboard loads, select the page you want to grow. If you manage more than one, take a second to confirm you're on the right one by checking the page name and logo so your invitations go to the correct place. Once your page is selected, click on Home in the left-hand menu. This brings you to the main overview where Facebook highlights key actions to help you build your audience. Scroll down the home feed until you see the section labeled Invite Friends to Like Your Page. It might appear near the top or a little further down depending on your layout and recent activity, so keep scrolling until you find it. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to load fully. Next, click See All Friends. This opens a full list of your personal Facebook friends, making it easier to review who you'd like to invite. Seeing the expanded list helps you be thoughtful and intentional, so your invitations feel relevant and welcome. Remember, you're simply sending an invitation. People can accept it at their discretion. Now select the friends you want to invite. You can go through the list and choose people who are most likely to be interested in what your page offers, whether that's your local community, colleagues, or friends who've shown interest in similar topics. You may notice that some people are already fans or are not eligible for invitations. Those will typically be marked or unavailable to select. Take a moment to double check your choices before moving on. When you're ready, click Send Invites. That's the action that delivers the invitations. After you send them, your friends will receive a notification prompting them to like your page. Notifications are a gentle nudge and can be very effective, but keep in mind that an invite doesn't guarantee a like. What it does is open the door and make it easy for people who support you to follow along. And that's it. You went to business.facebook.com, selected your page, navigated to home, found the Invite Friends to Like Your Page section, viewed all friends, chose who to invite, and sent the invitations. Keep your outreach friendly and relevant, and you'll build a more engaged audience over time. If you plan to invite more people later, repeat these same steps whenever you have new friends or fresh content to share.